Let us discuss about dimensions. So, first of all, let us see what is dimension. So, dimension is nothing but the power to which fundamental quantities must be raised in order to obtain the given quantities. Power to which fundamental quantity must be raised in order to obtain the unit of a given quantity called dimension. So dimension is basically that we can say that property of any physical quantity which shows whether the quantity has any unit or not. Suppose if I ask you that here 5. So what is the dimension of 5? So 5 have no dimension. Constants do not have dimensions. But there are many physical quantities which are treated in terms of constant and they have dimensions. For example, G. Capital G, that is gravitational constant, whose value is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Okay, so here we can say that this is a gravitational constant, but this constant has units, so there will be its dimension. Means dimensions are only defined for those having some units. For example, length. The unit of length is meter. Time. Units of time is second. Temperature. Units of temperature is Kelvin. Mass. Unit of mass is kg. Means all these quantities have defined unit. So there must exist a dimension of these quantities. So let us see the general form of dimensions. Means dimensions is expressed in terms of MLT. MLT. Let us suppose m raised to power a, l raised to power b, and t raised to power c. Or we can say that m raised to power a, l raised to power b, t raised to power c, k raised to power d, and a raised to power e. What are these? देखिए, let us see definition. Power to which. So this is power to which fundamental quantity. Mass is a fundamental quantity, length is a fundamental quantity, time is a fundamental quantity. So these power are called dimensions. So what are these? जैसे कि हम अगर बोले कि वेलोसिटी का डायमेंशन बताओ, तो वेलोसिटी का डायमेंशन क्या होगा? वेलोसिटी इज नथिंग बट इट्स यूनिट इज मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो meter is symbolizing length and second is symbolizing time. So meter per second means L by T. So M is missing and the general form is MLT. So we can write it as M0. L is 1, so L1, and T, this T, if we will move it upward, so it will be T minus 1. So this is the general form of a dimension. So if I ask you to write the dimension of mass, so mass is represented by capital M. So dimension will be M1 L0 T0, because in mass there is no length and time. So these all will be 0, because anything raised to power 0 is equals to 1. So in this way we may express dimension of any physical quantity. So that's all for the day.